Hey guys, we got another fish.
What we got? We got a brim this time. Oh.
We're gonna get even bigger ones.
Alright, we'll be back at you.
He's throwing into the water, you guys. Oh, that.
But he missed it.
Just waiting. We're gonna get some big fish today. And he just got another one, you guys.
Y'all see it? That's our brim. Another brim, y'all.
Guys.
Okay, stop it.
Throwing in the water, you guys. Just waiting to get big fish. Oh, you missed that one. Just waiting. Oh, we got another one, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. He got this one, you guys. But we don't want this. We don't want this.
He got off.
Yes, he got off.
Alright.
Going to catch another one, you guys. Not the ones that we don't like. We're just gonna get ones we don't. Not the Oscars.
We only catching sharecrockers, brim, stunt knockers, and
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Got off. We're gonna. Hey guys, we got another one.
Yes, sir. We got another sharecrocker, y'all. We're gonna get him in the basket and we're gonna be back at y'all. Alright, y'all.
Guys, we got another one.
We got another sharecrocker. Nice sharecrocker over here, y'all. Yes, sir.
We're gonna be back with another fish, you guys. Hey guys, he got another one. We don't know what it is. No, it's another one.
It's an Oscar, y'all.
We're gonna come back soon with another brim or sharecracker.
No, we're gonna get him back in the water. Come get a closer shot. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get him back in the water. We'll be back at y'all.
My God, it's a yes. We got another one, you guys. We'll be back with another one. Guys, my mom just got another one. We're gonna put it in the bucket and we'll be right back, you guys.
Alright, y'all. We're getting ready to get out of here. We're gonna give y'all what we got today. Yes, sir. Got a cooler full, y'all. Yes, sir. We got a cooler full. Y'all see it. This the Mighty 305 and Miley's Outdoors. Cooler full of fish, y'all. Alright, y'all. Finna get ready to head to the house. And when I get to the house, I'm gonna lay the fish out. Then everybody can see what we caught for the day. Alright, y'all. Be back at y'all in a minute. Alright.